Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is capacious. It's pronounced ca-pay-cious, and it is spelt C-A-P-A-C-I-O-U-S. Think cap, and then the letter A, and then cious. Capacious means having a lot of space inside. Roomy. For example, you could have a capacious bag or a capacious car. The word capacious comes from the Latin word capax, meaning able to take in, plus the suffix us, meaning full of. This is slightly different to its modern meaning, able to hold a lot. However, something capacious in today's sense is really able to take in a lot. Did you know that the world's largest and most capacious bag measured 22.5 meters wide and 14.5 meters high? The size of 9 double-decker buses. This bag was so capacious that it could fit 208,752 footballs inside it, or almost 2 million bottles of water. And most importantly, it was made of recyclable materials. Capacious is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, since there were over 100 people coming to the wedding, we had to find a capacious venue. Capacious is defined in the dictionary as having a lot of space and able to contain a lot. Capacious's synonyms include roomy, sizable, abundant, broad, comfortable, expansive, and comprehensive. Antonyms include cramped, small, squeezed, tiny, shallow, and thin. Can you see anything capacious around you now? It could be your school backpack or anything large and roomy around you. Have a quick look. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.